Miss Hawwera Negasaa. Hawwera makes her way around. Hawwera also a member of our student council and so much more. And lots of fans, not just in the student seats.
A year ago, in Miss Regard's Spanish 3 class, we played a superlative game, in Espanol, of course. I was voted most likely to speak at graduation. And here I stand before you all today on this lovely evening. Coincidence, right? If you don't know me, my name is Hawwera Negasaa. Buenas tardes, akamoltan, and good evening to our honored faculty, beloved families, and esteemed classmates. I want you all to think back to your first day of freshman year. What did you ask yourself? Did you say, so what's the lineup for my first week of school outfits? Or did you ask yourself, wait, do I still need to bring glue sticks to class? Maybe you said, I wonder what these next 4 years will look like. And you may be asking yourself the same question right now. Think of that 14-year-old kid, nervous, unsure, trying to find their people. And take a look at yourself now. Look how far you've come and how much you've experienced. You've shown what it means to grind, to simply have fun, and most importantly, what it means to love one another. Take a moment to look at someone you love, someone that makes you laugh, someone that makes you want to be a better person. I'm looking at Mama G, because if there's anything that I want to be when I grow up, it's a woman with even half the strength you have. I want to give the biggest thank you to all the immigrant parents out there who gave up everything just so we could be here today. Emily, Yadini, and Samira, I love you most. As we like to say, we're cousins by blood, best friends by choice, and sisters at heart. I don't know what I'd do without you guys. And Lummi, even though you piss me off nearly every single day of the year, I didn't think I could go through this speech without telling you I love you too. I hope my room doesn't feel too empty when I'm gone. So, to the people we love, to our families, thank you for believing in us, even when we didn't have it in us to believe in ourselves. To our teachers, thank you for the lessons you taught us, not just the academic ones, but also the lessons from your patience, guidance, and discipline. To our friends, thank you for all the laughs we shared, and for making these last 4 years truly unforgettable. Now, I want us all to be real for a second. Raise your hand if thinking about the future makes you feel nervous, or even just a little uncertain. Me too. You may be feeling excited to finally escape the horrors of the JM parking lot. But many of you are fearing what comes next now that you've made it onto the road. I hope to leave you today with some assurance. I cannot promise you that life will be easy, and I cannot promise that you will not know hardship or struggle. But what you can promise yourself is that you will persevere. You will take on challenges and you will try your best because you can achieve anything that you set your heart and mind to. Promise to always pursue what makes you happy. Promise to stand up for what you believe in and enter rooms and conversations with your head held high. Lastly, always remember that the sky is the limit. Trust me, we're called rockets for a reason. I'm so proud of you all, and I want to thank you for the marks that you've made on my life. To serve my class and to be your student body president has been the greatest honor of my high school career. To the class of 2025, thank you, congratulations, and good luck. Remember, once a rocket, thank you.